Meno Studio connects visual editing with real files. What you need to know is that when you make an edit in the studio, it automatically changes your files. For example, if I change this text here in the studio and go to Files, to Pages, Index.json, you can see the title is changed. And if I change it in the file and save it, go back to Studio, the change shows up there too. The editor and the file system stay in sync both ways. So let's look at how the files are organized. In the Pages folder, you have a JSON file for each page and a Templates subfolder for CMS templates, which generate pages from your content collections. The Components folder is divided into subfolders for different categories like UI, Section, Layout, and Form. You can add as many subfolders as you want and organize components however you need. If you go to Studio and open the Components panel, you'll see all those folders and components right there, ready to use in your pages. In the CMS folder, each collection has its own subfolder. Open one, like Posts, and you'll see the same items that show up in the CMS panel in Studio. The Fonts folder holds all your font files, which are also available in the Style Guide. All the colors from the Style Guide are saved in the Colors.json file. And finally, project.config.json corresponds to everything you find in project settings: locales, breakpoints, responsive scales, enums, base component. All of those settings live in this one file. That's it. Pages, components, CMS, and a couple of config files. Everything you do in the studio maps back to these files, which means you can version control your project and collaborate using Git.